welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a natural makeup look, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an oldie but a goodie, still welcome, and thank you again for tuning in. So in this channel we do makeup, hair reviews, and a little bit of hauls now and then. So if that's the kind of content that you're into, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, as well as hit that notification bell icon so that you can be notified every single time that I upload. And without any further ado, let's just jump on this because I've been waiting to do this for a minute. So let's get started. I'm gonna be starting off with this brows, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little spoolie right here. This is how a spoolie looks like. And I'm just gonna brush those brows a bit. I'm just gonna look down on this side because this is where my mirror is at. So I'm just gonna brush my brows a little bit, like so. Well, if you are blessed with some brow hairs, this is a part where you get to do a little bit of, like, you know, gel. You can put some eyebrow gel. As you can see, one of my brows a bit fuller and this side is not so full. So if you're like me, we're gonna need to fill those gaps up so they can look a little bit more even. I'm grabbing a MAC brown pencil, and this one is a shade called Coffee. I'm just gonna very lightly fill in those brows, just a little bit. I'm just feathering without actually any particular way. Just make sure that your pencil is a little bit sharp, like mine. This is sharp enough, and I'm just gonna fill them very lightly, just so they can look a little bit even to the other side. And I feel like towards the tail as well, just like so. Press and pull just to make things a little bit more natural and not too filled up, and also so that that cream or whatever you use doesn't look too concentrated in one place. So I'm just gonna feather it out a bit, as well as on the other side. And then this is the part where we're gonna take some gel, and I'm just gonna again apply and pull, brushing it off upwards, just like that. So next I'm gonna grab me some concealer, quite close to my natural shade, and I'm just gonna apply it underneath my brows, just to shape them and make them look even and neat. So next I'm just gonna smudge, blend in that concealer that we used to kind of like clean up the brows, and I'm just gonna spray it all over my eyelid. It's very little, hardly see it, just like that. And next I'm grabbing the 𝐔𝐿 Artistry palette, and we're gonna go in with the shade called Summer right here. It's a nice neutral shade, and I'm just gonna apply very little, blend it back and forth. Type of look should not take you more than 10 minutes. Should be 10 minutes or less. And then next I'm gonna go in with that eyeshadow called the Dream, which is right this one that has got a little shimmer to it. And I'm just gonna take my little pinky right here and just dab a little bit and just touch it on my inner corner, just like that, just to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, just like that. So using a brush, I'm just going to dab a little bit of it as well. and I'm just gonna touch a little bit of it underneath my brow, just to highlight that brow bone. Oh, it's too much. You can always blend it out using your fingers or your fingertip. Blend it out. Then next we're gonna grab our mascara, and of course I'm going in with the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and gonna apply this on my lashes, starting from the roots, and wiggle and pull on the roots, wiggle, pull, wiggle, pull, and that's what you're gonna be doing now. I only put 2 layers of this. I never do more, just 2 layers of this will do. So 2 layers should do the trick. And what I mean by layer is I put it once, I put it on the lashes, and I go in second time and put it. That's what I mean by 2 layers. So what you want to do 2 layers, because you don't want clumps of mascara on your lashes. That doesn't look cute. Two should do the natural look and cute and classy, and that's what you want. And the reason why you want to do the wiggle is so that they don't clamp up. Okay, you're gonna do wiggle pull, because you don't want them to clamp up together. Now on the bottom lash line, I like to do 1 layer. And you're going to be very, very careful, because you don't want to smudge it all over your eyes or end up poking your eyes. So now onto my favorite part, which is the face. So next I'm going to go in with the Essence Hello Good Stuff 48 Hour Intense Hydro Gel. And it's got hyaluron, which is very good for your skin. And I'm just going to do a little pump. I'm going to use my fingertips for this, just a little. That's enough. I'm going to spread it all over my face, and then I'm going to massage it in. And of course, when you're doing like a natural makeup look, what you want to do is use products that are gonna make you look glowy or dewy rather. Not oily. Don't mistake dewy for oily, okay? You want to look youthful in a way, like you just came from a facial. That's what you're going for. Look at that. Gorge. So next I'm going in with the Eucerin Sun Protection Gel and sun protection gel or cream, or cream, and this one is also good for oil control. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little powder puff right here, and what we're gonna do is first I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. Just make it damp, yeah, a little bit, because it's a bit too dry and I don't want that on my skin. Okay, I don't want it to create like streaks on my face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with that cream, and I'm gonna put that much. Then for the foundation, we're going in a Makeup by Mario foundation, and this one is in a shade 18W. This one is a Surreal Skin. What? Surreal Skin foundation, yes. And the reason why I'm going with this is because it's got that nice dewy finish. So I'm just gonna add a few drops of this. So in a way, we are making our own tinted moisturizer right here, right now. So I'm gonna put 3 drops of that on the same powder puff, and I'm gonna dab a bit there, here, and all over. I know it's a bit much, but trust the process. So what we're gonna do is start pressing it in and spreading it. Okay, press and spread. Don't forget underneath those eyes. So instead of using the Eucerin control or sun protection cream, you can go in with your favorite moisturizer if you wish to, but using the Eucerin cream is that it already has a sun protector, okay, UV rays protector. It already contains SPF, so you don't need to apply that again. You just mixed it together with your foundation and dab it all over your face. So no need to apply your cream, then sun protection, then foundation. I mean, so I personally prefer doing it this way. And as you can tell, my skin is already glowing. My skin is already glowing. Just dragging it downwards. You can barely see that I've got any foundation on, I promise you. You can hardly tell that I've got foundation on. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be going in with something very natural looking blush, and for me that's always gonna be a cream blush. And the best cream blush for me that I'm so digging right now, the one that I got from Ipsy, and this one is Seat London Velvet Skin Cream Blush, and this one is it's called Fancy, I believe. Fancy Cream Rouge. Well, this side looks okay. Despite the lack of pronunciation, so this side looks okay. And then I'm gonna apply it on the apples on my cheeks, just a little bit. Well, even if you had to go heavy on this, I would promise you that I would still not show. So just a little bit of that, because here we are going for a very neutral look. So you're gonna go with cream, and cream, okay? Very little powders, and then I'm just gonna blend it. Just gonna blend it like that. Do the same on this side. Funny enough, I find that it kind of once you blend it out, it goes like matte-ish. Look at that. I actually feel like adding just a little bit more. I can't even see it. Oh, look at that. Ta-da! Gone. Brush it over here and this side. I feel like there's no need for me to even put a highlighter on, because wow, the foundation as well as the Eucerin cream just did that. And what you're gonna do next, okay, I tell you this now, I am warning you, do not go heavy with this product. You're gonna erase everything that you just created. You don't want that. So I'm going in with powder, okay, loose powder. You're gonna use a little bit, okay, don't go crazy with it, a little bit. And I'm just gonna put it on my forehead, just in those areas that tend to kind of like sweat a lot, and that's mainly your T-zone area. That will be your forehead and your nose and your chin, okay, a little bit. And then I'm just without adding any product. I'm just pressing in all over my face, just like that. You can go ahead and put on some setting spray, but I'm good today. I'm good. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. And today I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this one is called Pretty Please. It's a nice cute little pink shade. It's running out, and just gonna kind of like tint my lips with it as well. No line or nothing. And that's pretty much how you do a natural makeup look. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share. And until next time, bye bye.